Yo, good day everyone. We are here as usual at the shopping center. I'm just here to buy water. Water. About the water. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Started from 6 and I finished at 2 o'clock. But it's already 3:42 because I was at the car park at the workplace. Yeah, editing a video. Yeah, just this. And I'm also going to buy one of these. Yeah, this is actually delicious. When I first tasted it a long time ago in 2016, yeah, when I first arrived here in Australia, yeah, Emil, my housemate, bought one of these, and he gave me, and I like it too. But I'm not really a big fan of chocolate or anything sweet. Because $10.55 total. Lots of people. I feel like walking around, but I'm going to Bunnings or maybe Spotlight actually. Where I park is actually very tight. Yeah. Yeah, because the other cars was parked very near to the line, very close to the line, just like that car. The camera is following my face. Sparkling water encouraged me to drink more water than regular water because of the sensation while drinking of this. Some people they don't like sparkling water, but yeah, I really like it. Before also in the beginning I don't like it because of the it's like soft drinks but no taste. Yeah, and then one time I added one lemon. Yeah, and it was good. And you know that the viewers actually, you actually are the one who teach me how to properly open this. Yeah, because before I open it just normal, casual, and it is splash everywhere. Yeah, it's splashing everywhere inside the car. Yeah, but now that you said to me, yeah, that to open it slowly, let the air get out. Yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It happens still. Yeah, more than that if I just open it not gradually. There is actually a machine that you can buy from Kmart to make something like this, to make it carbonated water, to make a carbonated water. But I don't like that. That requires more space in the bun. Okay, I'm going to Bunnings just to walk around. And we are now here at the Taylor's Beach Home Center. Yeah, this is the target. I am not going to buy things yet. I'm just going to browse, get the idea. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, there are so many choices here for the different curtains. Of course, these are made for houses. Yeah. I currently have something like this, but that's not what I need. There is actually one here that is designed for caravan. Yeah, this. You can see here, this is the photo of yeah, trailer camper van. It's $20. I did enjoy walking around inside of that spotlight. Yeah, seeing different things, but yeah, I did not buy anything. I'm still building the idea in my mind on how to do the curtain. Yeah, I actually want to do just something like this. Yeah, I found this place actually beautiful. I mean, my bun is beautiful. But yeah, I want to change the curtain. Especially that one, that sunshade. I want to cover up that one. And we are now here at the shopping center. And this is where I'm going to stay until later tonight, before going to the place where I am going to sleep. Yeah, I'm going to make a coffee. Oh, I actually don't have water. Oh, actually coffee is cheaper at the petrol station. Let's go to McDonald's. I want to see the people in McDonald's. Very simple reason, yeah. There's actually not much people here. They are all outside. Mostly they ordered drive-through. Yeah, this is large cappuccino. Good. So I will be just here until tonight that I go to my place of sleep. Let's open the window actually, so the wind get inside. Yo, good evening everyone. Yeah, with the rice meal that, yeah, the siomai rice meal that I ate this for lunch. Yeah, I'm actually hungry again, but I don't want to eat the same food. Yeah, still have in the fridge, and so I end up buying this in McDonald's. Well, actually this one is rewards. I spent 5,000 rewards point from McDonald's. Yeah, this ham and cheese. So it means that this one is free actually. I hope this is enough to satisfy my hunger. I'm actually at the gym. I'm just going to eat it and then I go to the gym. Yeah, there are some people inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 or 12. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm going to eat now. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish actually 2:30. This wire. Yeah, 2:30 when I, oh, again, this when I finish. And yeah, I just microwave this. This the siomai. Actually, I'm going to cook. I cook two actually. I reheat two. Not one, because the one packet is not enough. I'm hungry again in the night. Yeah, just like last night. I needed to go to McDonald's and buy a burger to satisfy my hunger. Okay, I actually opened the door both sides and also the other door. And this much of food I am going to eat. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm here in my apartment, but yeah, as you can see, I am basically removing all my things from inside, and yeah, I'm actually moving it to a new place. Yeah, so this is the second, actually third week of me moving out of this house. Yeah, I have this my table, computer table, and the chair, office chair. Yeah, all the other big things, they are here.